Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music. It's a great way to relax and unwind after a long day. I often listen to music while studying, working, or simply commuting. Music can uplift my mood, inspire creativity, and help me focus. I particularly enjoy listening to a variety of genres, from classical to pop, depending on my mood and the activity I'm engaged in.
What kind of music do you usually listen to?
My musical tastes are quite diverse. I enjoy a wide range of genres, from classic rock and pop to indie and electronic music. I often find myself listening to different artists and albums, depending on my mood and the activity I'm engaged in. I believe that music has the power to evoke emotions and transport us to different worlds, making it a truly universal language.
Do you prefer listening to music alone or with others?
I tend to prefer listening to music alone. It allows me to fully immerse myself in the music and appreciate the nuances of the lyrics and melody. However, I also enjoy sharing music with others and discussing our favorite songs or artists. Sometimes, listening to music with friends or family can create a shared experience and strengthen bonds. Ultimately, my preference depends on my mood and the specific situation.
How often do you listen to music?
I listen to music almost every day. It's a regular part of my routine, whether it's in the morning while getting ready for work or in the evening while relaxing. Music helps me stay focused, motivated, and entertained throughout the day.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't play any musical instruments. While I appreciate music and enjoy listening to it, I haven't had the opportunity to learn to play an instrument. I've always admired people who can play music, and I think it's a wonderful talent. Perhaps one day I'll have the time and resources to learn an instrument, but for now, I'll stick to being an appreciative listener. One song that holds a special meaning for me is Michael Jackson's "They Don't Really Care About Us." This song, released in the 1990s, speaks out against issues like social injustice, discrimination, and the struggles faced by marginalized communities. The lyrics are direct and powerful, expressing the frustration of those who feel ignored or oppressed by society. Jackson uses a striking rhythm and an urgent tone that captures the pain and resilience of people standing up for their rights. It's a song that doesn't just entertain, it calls for awareness and change, which is something that resonated deeply with me when I first heard it. Listening to it is almost like hearing the voices of countless people who have fought and struggled but still face similar challenges today. Michael Jackson's delivery, especially with the strong drum beats in the background, brings a sense of urgency that makes me reflect deeply on social issues around the world. Each time I hear it, I feel both moved and inspired, as if the song has an energy that never fades. I was introduced to this song during a history class in high school, where we were discussing civil rights movements and the power of art as a form of protest. Our teacher played the song to show how artists can influence public opinion and inspire action. Listening to "They Don't Really Care About Us" in that context, I was struck by the intensity of Michael Jackson's voice and the hard-hitting lyrics. It felt more like a rallying cry than just a piece of music. From that moment, the song stayed with me, as it opened my eyes to the depth and urgency of social issues in a way no textbook ever could. I remember that day vividly because it made me see music as a tool for change, not just entertainment. Hearing it in a classroom setting, where we were encouraged to analyze the meaning, made it feel even more powerful and relevant. That experience changed how I viewed music, and I found myself paying more attention to the messages behind other songs after that day. Nowadays, I listen to this song quite often, especially when I feel frustrated or discouraged by social issues that seem unresolved. It has become a sort of anthem for me during those times, a reminder of the power of unity and the importance of speaking out. The beats and lyrics never fail to energize me and give me a renewed sense of purpose. In moments when I feel uncertain or overwhelmed, this song reminds me of the strength in persistence and resilience. It also encourages me to reflect on my role and responsibility in contributing to a better society. I find it incredible that a single song can hold so much meaning and inspire me to stay committed to my values and beliefs. The reason this song has such a special meaning for me is because it sparked a lifelong interest in social justice and motivated me to stay informed about these issues. It's more than a song to me, it's a symbol of how art can challenge, inspire, and bring people together across generations. They Don't Really Care About Us will always hold a unique place in my heart because it not only connected me to music but also shaped my understanding of the world and my desire to make a difference. Songs like this remind me of the power of using one's voice for good, even when the message isn't easy to deliver. I admire Michael Jackson's courage in addressing these issues so directly, which was rare for mainstream artists at the time. Knowing that the song has impacted so many others worldwide also reinforces its message and gives me hope for change.
Why do you think music is so popular around the world?
Music has a universal appeal, transcending cultural and linguistic barriers. It has the power to evoke emotions, inspire creativity, and connect people from diverse backgrounds. Music can be used to celebrate, mourn, or simply relax. It can provide solace during difficult times and uplift our spirits when we're feeling down. Additionally, music is often intertwined with cultural identity and national pride, making it a powerful tool for preserving traditions and fostering a sense of belonging.
How has the way we listen to music changed over time?
The way we listen to music has dramatically changed over time. In the past, people primarily listened to music through live performances, records, and cassette tapes. These formats were often limited by physical constraints and required specific devices to play. With the advent of digital technology, music consumption has become increasingly convenient and accessible. The introduction of CDs and MP3 players revolutionized the way we listen to music, allowing us to carry our entire music collections in portable devices. However, the real game changer has been the rise of streaming services. Platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music have made millions of songs available at our fingertips, enabling us to listen to music anytime, anywhere. Furthermore, the integration of music into social media platforms has transformed the way we discover and share music. We can create playlists, share our favorite songs with friends, and even discover new artists based on our listening habits. This interconnectedness has fostered a global music community and facilitated the rapid spread of musical trends.
Do you think music can have a positive impact on people's lives?
Yes, music undoubtedly has a positive impact on people's lives. It can evoke a wide range of emotions, from joy and excitement to sadness and nostalgia. Music can be a powerful tool for stress relief, helping to reduce anxiety and improve mental well-being. It can also enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and boost creativity. Moreover, music can bring people together, fostering social bonds and cultural understanding. It can be used to celebrate special occasions, express love and grief, and inspire social change. By tapping into our emotions and connecting us with others, music enriches our lives in countless ways.
What role does music play in different cultures?
Music plays a pivotal role in shaping and reflecting different cultures. It serves as a vehicle for cultural expression, storytelling, and historical preservation. In many cultures, music is deeply intertwined with religious rituals and ceremonies, fostering spiritual connection and community. It can also be used to celebrate life events, commemorate ancestors, and mark social occasions. Moreover, music often reflects the social and political climate of a particular time and place. Protest songs, for example, have been used to mobilize social movements and challenge oppression. Music can also serve as a tool for cultural identity, helping to define and reinforce a sense of belonging. By exploring the diverse musical traditions of different cultures, we can gain a deeper understanding of their values, beliefs, and histories. Sources and related content.
How can music help people express their emotions?
Music is a powerful medium for expressing emotions that may be difficult to articulate in words. It allows individuals to convey a wide range of feelings, from joy and love to sadness and anger. Through melody, rhythm, and lyrics, musicians can express their deepest emotions and connect with listeners on an emotional level. For example, a melancholic melody can evoke feelings of sadness and longing, while an upbeat rhythm can inspire feelings of joy and excitement. By listening to music, individuals can find solace, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. It can help them process their emotions, find catharsis, and ultimately lead to a greater understanding of themselves and others.